Aquafaba is one more food options for vegan people and people with egg allergies.
People are sharing ideas and using aquafaba at home. When we heard about what people share online about their struggles in repeating the same recipe or their concern about anti-nutritionals in this material, we wanted to understand why this water function like egg white. This was the first part of our research, and the second part was we wanted to transfer this material from food waste to a valuable food ingredient and additive. Aquafaba is the water that results after cooking beans. In any can, like chickpea can or faba bean can, the water that you get after draining the seed has the name of aquafaba.
My work is focusing on aquafaba standardization, and I also try different treatments to standardize aquafaba conditions, like the different temperature, different cooking pressure, and water ratio. After my work, we will get standard aquafaba, so everyone can use it. They will have the same product, so they can using the same recipe to make the same products.
Aquafaba could be commercialized as liquid, like egg white, or in the form of powder, where people add water to it and reuse it in the liquid form. Having the powder, it's to increase the shelf life and to reduce the cost of shipping.
When we're using aquafaba to replace egg in many food recipes like sponge cake, mayonnaise, and meringues, we can definitely get the same products with the same flavor and texture and color.